Well, this is weird. The internet is not working again. I try and get onto YouTube here, and it's just not coming in. Uh, Bobby, what do you think about this problem here? Hmm? What do you think about this problem? Hey, you got something to say? Hey, you. He doesn't like to talk on camera. No YouTube. No internet. I think it has something to do with the weather. This happened to me in Indonesia a year ago. No internet reception because of a bad storm. And last night, I wanted to do one more karaoke. But it's cut out. These are my favorite box sets. The Outer Limits. Different Strokes. Bionic Man and Bionic Woman. There's my stuff for my arthritis. I just turned 60, Bobby. You know what? Internet worked better 20 years ago than now. I don't know what's going on around here. And I own this place, but no one can reach the property management team. Nobody can reach them. Nobody knows what's going on around here. And they said they're going to be putting in fiber optics next month. Oh, it is a storm. Okay. It's snowing. Still snowing here in Kamloops, British Columbia, Canada. Well, it is March 4th. March is a bad month for weather. So, by tomorrow, this should all be melted. People just have ants in their pants and they have to get out and do things. Well, I might have to shovel and brush off the vehicle. I don't know. But, well, Sun Peak should be nice with all the snow. And I had pray to the gods. Pray to the gods for better weather. I had strawberries growing here and parsley and even Swiss chard last week. Now look at it. I might get a few sparrows in there in my birdhouse this year. I don't know. How many apricots this year? Well, the last 2 years I've got over 2,000. And then I planted a peach tree up there. The deer haven't attacked it yet. Oh, internet's back on again. Sort of. It's cutting out Canto Libre. All right, let's see. No, there's still a problem with internet. Weather interferes with internet. Well, I'm just going to learn some more Spanish and maybe do a painting and learn a few other languages. It keeps cutting out. All right, I've done all my karaoke practice songs except for one. I'm gonna attempt Britney Spears. I've never sang to a female singer. Let's see if I can do it. Anyone wants to check out my videos? There it goes out again. All my videos are on Andromeda Man 1964 on YouTube. So I got nothing to hide. Canta mi corazón para los niños y sus niños canta libre.